Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to start Amazon dropshipping in Canada. Let's get started. If you're looking to start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront investment and without the need to manage physical inventory, dropshipping remains one of the most accessible and popular models out there, especially for beginners. And when you use a massive, trusted marketplace like Amazon as your supplier, you gain several incredible advantages. You have instant access to millions of products across countless categories, many of which can be delivered incredibly quickly to your customers all across Canada, often with prime 2-day shipping, which customers have come to know and love. This specific method involves a straightforward process. You will be finding winning products that are already selling well on Amazon.ca. You'll be adding them to your own professional, branded Shopify store at a markup, and then when a customer finally buys from you, you will simply place the order on Amazon using your account and have it shipped directly to your customer's door. You never see or handle the product yourself. It's a fantastic, low-risk way to validate product ideas, learn the fundamentals of e-commerce, and build a recognizable brand without the massive overhead and complexity of managing your own warehouse full of inventory. The absolute first step, the non-negotiable foundation of your entire business, is to set up your 2 key accounts properly. First, you need a Shopify store. Head over to Shopify.com and sign up for their basic plan. You can absolutely start with their free trial to get everything set up and familiar before any monthly charges apply. When you are setting up your store, it is critically important that you choose Canada as your store's primary country during the initial setup process, as this will automatically set your default currency to Canadian dollars and will significantly help with local SEO, making it easier for Canadian customers to find you. Second, you need a standard personal Amazon.ca account. You'll be using this account to place the actual orders for your customers, so it is vital that you double-check that the primary shipping address and your payment information are completely correct and up to date to avoid any frustrating fulfillment errors down the line. Now, we move on to the most critical part of your entire business, the part that will ultimately determine your success or failure: product research. You cannot, and I repeat, cannot, just randomly pick products from Amazon that you personally like and hope they will somehow magically sell. You need a strategic, data-driven approach to find genuine winning products. These are items that are already in high demand, have consistently good profit margins after all fees, and aren't completely dominated by a single brand or a few massive sellers. Manually scrolling through thousands and thousands of items on Amazon.ca is not only incredibly time-consuming and inefficient, but it's also like searching for a needle in a haystack while blindfolded. You're just guessing. This is where having a powerful AI-powered data-driven tool is not just helpful, it is absolutely essential for making smart, informed decisions and avoiding costly mistakes that could waste your precious time and advertising budget. Want to find winning products faster and completely take the guesswork out of your research? This is where a comprehensive, all-in-one tool like Sell the Trend becomes completely indispensable. It's your central command center, your all-in-one dashboard for everything e-commerce. You get advanced AI-powered product research and can even spy on any online store to see what's working for them and reverse engineer their success. Find proven winners with their incredible Nexus AI products and hand-picked winners collections, which analyze billions of data points across the web to show you exactly what's trending and what's about to go viral. Use the built-in ad finders to see trending, high-converting ads on Facebook and TikTok so you know what marketing angles are actually working right now. Unlock your competitors' deepest secrets with powerful spy tools for store and niche intelligence, giving you a huge, unfair advantage. And it seamlessly connects you directly to all the major marketplaces to easily source your products. It's literally everything you need to find your next bestseller, all in one single, intuitive place. That's Sell the Trend. Instead of guessing and hoping, this powerful tool can instantly show you a curated list of products that are currently trending and winning in the Canadian market, complete with their estimated monthly sales volume and accurate profit margin calculations. For example, you can use the Nexus AI Product Finder to filter specifically for products available for fast shipping on Amazon.ca. When you find a potential winner within the platform, Sell the Trend can often provide you with a direct, clickable link to the exact Amazon product page, taking you right to the listing you need to evaluate further, which saves you countless hours of manual searching and dead ends. I have a special link for you in the description below, where you can try Sell the Trend completely free for a full 14 days to do this advanced research yourself and see the dramatic difference it makes. Once you've used solid data to find a potential winning product on Amazon.ca, the next step is to efficiently get it onto your Shopify store. You do not want to do this entire process manually, as copying and pasting titles, descriptions, and images one by one is a huge unnecessary waste of your valuable time. This is where a dedicated, reliable import tool is necessary. From your main Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to the Apps section and search for a well-reviewed app like One-Click Product Importer or a similar solution. Read the reviews, check its rating, and then install the app to add its functionality to your store. Now, open Amazon.ca in a new browser tab and carefully find the exact product you want to sell. Copy the entire URL from the address bar of your browser. Go back to your Shopify admin, open the One-Click Product Importer app you just installed, and paste the complete Amazon product link into the field provided. Please wait a little bit while the app software fetches all the product data, including the images, title, and description. Then, it will import the product directly into your Shopify backend. Now the product is successfully imported into your Shopify store as a draft, where you can now review and edit every single detail. We can also change the product title, rewrite the entire description from scratch, and adjust the price to ensure it perfectly matches your store's unique branding and includes your desired profit margin calculation. It is absolutely crucial that you rewrite the title and description in your own unique words to make the product page unique and to avoid any potential duplicate content issues with search engines like Google. You can also easily adjust the final selling price here before you finally hit that publish button and make the product live on your store. However, a very important word of caution here. While importing products using these apps is simple and fast, you must be acutely aware of Amazon's strict policies regarding its content. You cannot legally use Amazon's product images or copy their text verbatim for commercial use on your own store without explicit permission, as this can lead to serious copyright infringement claims and potentially get your store shut down. It is always the best practice to eventually take your own photos and write your own 100% original descriptions. But for initially testing product viability, these importer apps are a useful and time-saving starting point. Always change the content significantly before you start driving significant paid traffic to the product page. After your store is fully set up with several products, the next vital step is to drive targeted traffic to it. No one will know your amazing store exists unless you actively market it. You can use organic methods like creative social media marketing on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, or you can use paid advertising through sophisticated platforms like Facebook ads or Google ads to get immediate visibility. This is where Sell the Trend's other powerful features, like the Ad Spy tool, become incredibly valuable, as you can see exactly what ads and what specific marketing angles are working for your competitors right now, allowing you to model your own successful campaigns. When a customer finally places an order on your Shopify store, the fulfillment process is simple and straightforward. You will receive an email and dashboard notification of the new order. Then, you simply go to Amazon.ca, find the exact product your customer ordered, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. For the shipping address, you must enter your customer's complete shipping information directly into Amazon. It is vital that you do not ship the item to your own address first, as that will add significant time, extra cost, and completely defeat the purpose of dropshipping. Amazon will then ship the product directly to your customer, usually in its own packaging. To maintain a professional appearance and avoid confusion, you should always select the option for a gift receipt during checkout on Amazon, so that no Amazon packing slips with prices are included in the box. Finally, you mark the order as fulfilled in your Shopify store to automatically notify your customer that their order is on the way and provide them with the tracking information. To truly build a sustainable, scalable, and profitable dropshipping business from the very start, you need the right data and the right tools to make smart, informed decisions on what to sell. Again, I cannot recommend using Sell the Trend enough for this crucial phase. It eliminates the exhausting guesswork and allows you to find proven, profitable products on Amazon.ca quickly, efficiently, and with confidence. That link for a full 14-day free trial is waiting for you in the description below. Use it to find your first winning product and see for yourself how much easier and more strategic this entire process can be. Thanks for watching. Good luck with building your store.